afternoon, everybody. It's a sunny day in the beautiful city of Onitsha, Anambra State, and I am right here in the middle of the construction work that is going on the second Nija Bridge. If you look around me, you can see I am in the middle of the river Niger. There's so much work going on. All these gigantic construction equipment behind me. We are here on inspection of the progress of work that is going on the bridge. I am here with the governor of Anambra State, Chief Osibanjo, and the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Osibanjo, and of course, the Minister for Works, Housing and Power, on inspection of this great infrastructure that is springing up in the southeast of Nigeria. So as you can see, because seeing is believing, there is so much work that is going on. So it's no more on the realm of speculation. The second Nija Bridge is almost a goal. Because you see, if you look around, you can see what is going on. This place used to be right in the middle of the river. Over there you can see the first Nija Bridge in the distance, swimming as it were. But this one, in the next, I'm sure in the next few months, this bridge would have been completed and probably open to the public. My own speculation, I don't know. We will wait for the authorities to inform us. Thank you so much. I just wanted to share this experience, and I am happy that this is happening in my time in Nigeria. Accompanied by the governor of Anambra State, Governor Osibanjo, and the Minister of Works and Housing, Power, Babatunde Raji Fashola. You can see the second Nija Bridge stretching out, and there's so much work done already, progressing straight into the Niger itself and its horizon. So there is so much work done already. So you can see it with your own eyes. Here are the pillars, and it's ongoing. It's continued ceaselessly. Thank you very much.